Hello, today we have a new situation where a Subaru with a 4x4 is stuck in the mud. The Subaru is stuck in the mud with all four wheels. The driver tried to drive out of the mud but failed. Therefore, help was called. A car with a winch arrived and will try to pull out the Subaru with the help of a winch. With the help of the winch, the car slowly moves backwards. The Subaru tires spin, but that doesn't help much in this situation. Pulling a Subaru out of the mud is not so easy. It's good that there is such an option as a winch. The ground is very clayey and it makes it difficult to get out of the mud. But a little movement is happening and that is definitely good. That means it's only a matter of time before Subaru is pulled out of the mud. I do not recommend driving on such roads, which are very muddy. Such adventures are not always fun. Subaru is a powerful car with 4x4, but it can't get out of the mud on its own. Maybe the tires could be more suitable and then it would be easier to drive.